I wanna show you how to make eye blinking effect in Premiere Pro. Let's go! Go to the project panel, right click of the mouse, new item and select black video. Drag it to your timeline above the video clip. Go to effects and write burn during transition. You need to add this effect to your black video at the beginning and at the end. So, select the first bar door effect, go to Effects Control, Duration, and write free. You can also see the box. Click on the bottom arrow to change the direction. For the first effect, we will activate the reverse, otherwise the blink effect will start from the center. Let's do the same thing for the second effect. Just select it, set the duration for 3 seconds, click on the bottom arrow to change the direction. Following, right click of the mouse on the black video and go to the speed/duration. Let's write 8 frames. To see better the effect, just zoom in. Right click on the black video and choose Nest. Go to Effects and write Gaussian Blur. Drag the Gaussian Blur to your nested clip. Go to Effects Control and by the blurriness, let's write 100 and change the blur dimensions to vertical. Everything is ready, let's see the result. How to grow this channel? Put your like and subscribe.